What's up, everybody? Brandon here at Heritage Diesel, and tonight we are working on a RT175 by GEHL or GEHL, however you want to say it. This one here happens to be a 2016 standard open cab. I've got two codes that are popping up, 1-2 and 1-3, which end up being CAN bus communication between ECM and the Maestro 1 controller, and CAN bus communication between Maestro 1 and Maestro 2. So, pulled all these wires apart. Well, I didn't pull them apart, but I pulled all the loom apart because everything online said that it was a break in the wires somewhere in one of these joints here. All right, well, I didn't find any of that. But what I did find, Maestro 1, what is this, Maestro 1? Yeah, this Eaton controller is the Maestro 1, okay? And its circuit board goes up in there with these two tabs here, these two lock tabs. All you gotta do is get this out, push those lock tabs in and pull, all right? And you'll see here, see if this can zoom in well enough, but it has had water infiltrate quite heavily. Let me turn the light on here. Let's see if we can get a better view. There we go. All right, see the rust on the terminal there, the green fuzz. You know, all of these are crusty down here on the bottom. Okay. All these pin placements here, these solder joints. All right. This side right here is really bad. Okay, that's no good. Right? You combine that with the fact that, and I had to like really look at this for a long time to find it, but that appears to be a transistor, right? And it is just completely corroded and burnt. Okay, so this thing's not making communication. Look at all these. These are all just white, fuzzy, corroded. Water sat in here and just corroded all of this, okay? So if you've got 1-2 and 1-3, a real easy check. Just come over here to Maestro 1 controller, squeeze those two terminal pins, or those two lock pins, and pull that whole unit out of here. Take a look. $600 online. I'm gonna put the order in today. Oops, sorry about that. And part 2 will be me installing this and hopefully firing this thing up. Have a good night.